Hello, class, and a very warm welcome to Mrs. Neilson's classroom. I am your teacher, Mrs. Neilson. Today, we are going to master the art of writing formal letters, starting with the introductory paragraph. Let us start this lesson together. In this lesson, we are specifically focusing on how to write a strong introduction. This is a critical skill for your writing because it is exactly where you earn your very first marks. Take a moment to look at our lesson sequence on the screen. We will take this step by step. Remember, formal letters are written to people in authority. They must always be polite, serious in tone, and written using full, clear sentences. Notice the clear differences between formal and informal language highlighted on your screen now. Take your time to read each point. You write these letters to people you do not know personally. This includes a school principal, a company manager, or government officials. It is very important to know exactly who your recipient is before you begin the writing process. Study these examples carefully. You will need this skill to complain about a problem, make formal requests, or apply for a job. These are common situations that you must be prepared for. Review these different situations on the blackboard. They are very important. A strong introduction always follows a simple three-part formula. It must include the purpose, followed by the context, and finally, the request. If you follow this specific structure every time, you will succeed in your writing tasks. Let's memorize this formula now. First, let's look at the purpose. This is the main reason you are writing the letter in the first place. You must state this reason clearly and specifically in the very first line of your paragraph. Being clear from the start helps the reader understand you. Always begin your sentence with the professional phrase, "I am writing to," followed by your specific reason, such as complain about or request. This sets the correct professional tone immediately for your reader. For example, you might write, "I am writing to complain about the lack of working fans in my classroom." Notice how it is short, direct, and very easy for the reader to understand. This is a perfect example of a purpose sentence. The second part is the context. This section explains the situation in more detail and tells the reader exactly what is happening right now. It provides all the necessary background information that your reader needs to understand the problem fully. Use starters like, "The problem is that," or "recently." Remember, a very important rule in formal writing is to not use the phrase "I am writing to" in this part of the paragraph. Keep it focused on the situation. Example context. The fans in our classroom have not been working for several weeks. This sentence focuses purely on describing the situation itself without repeating your purpose. It gives the reader a clear picture of what is happening. Finally, you must include the request. Tell the reader exactly what you want done and explain why it matters to you. A strong request is complete because it tells both the what and the why in a polite manner. Start this section with the phrase, "Therefore, I am requesting that," and then explain the positive benefit, such as being able to study in a much more comfortable and productive environment. This shows the reader the impact of your request. When you put all three parts together, purpose, context, and request, you create a clear, complete, and effective introduction that will certainly impress any reader. Review this perfect model displayed on your screen and note how the parts flow together. This is exactly where you earn your marks. Be specific, remain polite, and strictly avoid using any slang or informal language. Every word you choose counts toward your final result. Aim for excellence in every sentence. Great job today, class! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. I will see you in our next lesson as we tackle the body of the letter together. Happy writing, and keep practicing your new skills. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mrs. Neilson's classroom. Don't forget to share this with a friend and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.